DAI theory. I made this theory, and this theory proves that the string theory and the M theory is completely wrong. You know about the 0 dimension to 11 dimension by the string and the M theory. So this is 0 dimension. When we stretch a 0 dimension, it can be look like a 1 dimension, and then again we stretch it, it's a second dimension, then again third dimension, and now it's the fourth dimension, a tesseract or a hypercube. Now when we stretch a fourth dimension or a hypercube, that this can be considered as the first dimension. So the fourth dimension is a zero dimension, and dimensions are infinite. It has no limit. And if you like this theory too, so please subscribe. And now, when we again stretch to one dimension, it can be considered as the second dimension. Infinitely, this goes.